In this video, we listed the 5 best heated scarves that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Qdreclod Heated Scarf. This heated scarf is made from 100% cotton with a soft fleece and polyester blend, offering a comfortable, stylish, and cozy wearing experience for both women and men. It features a rechargeable 5V 5000 mAh battery that heats faster and warmer than standard 3.7V batteries, with a high-tech heating zone focused on the neck for quick and effective warmth. The scarf includes 3 adjustable temperature settings: high, 140, 149 degrees Fahrenheit, medium, 122, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and low, 113, 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Easily controlled with a simple click or long press. Measuring 197 by 35 centimeters, 77.55 by 13.77 inches, it's versatile enough to wrap around the neck, drape as a fashion accessory, or even use as a small blanket for hands or legs. Ideal for office, home, outdoor activities, and cold winter days, this heated scarf is a practical and thoughtful gift choice for Christmas, birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, and Valentine's Day. Number 2. Hlaohswer Heated Scarf for Women/Men. The Hlaohswer PY01 heated scarf is crafted from durable polyester and designed with advanced heating technology to deliver fast, safe, and consistent warmth. Featuring high-quality carbon fiber heating elements and an integrated temperature sensor, it heats up within 3 to 5 seconds while preventing overheating and burns. The scarf offers 3 precise temperature settings: high, 65 degrees Celsius per 145 degrees Fahrenheit, medium, 55 degrees Celsius per 130 degrees Fahrenheit, and low, 45 degrees Celsius per 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Easily controlled with a simple press and hold, allowing you to adjust warmth based on your comfort and surroundings. Powered by a 2025 upgraded 6,000 mAh lightweight battery, it provides 3 to 7 hours of use with intelligent circuit protection for safety and durability. Ideal for relieving neck, shoulder, and muscle stiffness while improving blood circulation. This heated scarf makes a thoughtful gift for men and women on birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, Mother's Day, and Father's Day, and comes with a 6-month warranty for complete peace of mind. Number 3. KADORVA Heated Neck Wrap. The KADORVA heated scarf combines cordless convenience with intelligent temperature control to deliver exceptional comfort and soothing warmth. Made from ultra-soft crystal velvet and filled with fluffy cotton, it offers a luxurious, skin-friendly feel that's perfect for relaxation and neck pain relief. Featuring 3 smart heating settings: high, 131 degrees Fahrenheit, medium, 113 degrees Fahrenheit, and low, 95 degrees Fahrenheit. You can easily adjust the warmth with a simple button press. The built-in 5,000 mAh power bank fits neatly into a dedicated pocket, eliminating messy wires while providing lightweight, portable use at home, in the office, or on the go. With an enlarged heating area that covers the entire back of the neck and fast-heating carbon fiber wires for consistent warmth, this heated scarf helps ease muscle tension and keep you cozy. It's also a thoughtful gift for men and women for outdoor activities or special occasions like birthdays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Father's Day. Number 4. Thermrup Heated Scarf. The Thermrup heated scarf delivers soothing warmth and comfort using patented far-infrared technology, ensuring deep and even heat distribution throughout the neck area. Powered by a rechargeable battery with 3 adjustable temperature settings, it provides up to 6 hours of continuous warmth, making it ideal for cold weather activities or everyday use. Crafted from soft, skin-friendly materials, this scarf feels gentle against the skin and is both machine and hand washable for easy care. Measuring 100 centimeters in length and 13 centimeters in width, it offers a perfect balance of coverage and comfort. Combining advanced heating performance with cozy design, the Thermrup heated scarf is a stylish and practical solution for staying warm during winter walks, commutes, or outdoor adventures. Number 5. MuroMucci Heated Scarf. This intelligent heated neck scarf is made from 100% polyester with a premium cashmere feel fabric that is lightweight, ultra soft, and warm without fading or pilling, making it ideal for spring, fall, and winter. Designed for both women and men, it features fast heating that activates in just 3 to 5 seconds with a simple long press, along with 3 adjustable temperature levels: high, 131 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, medium, 113 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, and low, 104 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, to deliver even, comfortable warmth tailored to your needs. The cordless, rechargeable design helps promote blood circulation and relieve neck and shoulder stiffness caused by cold weather while ensuring safe and steady heating. Stylish and versatile, it can be worn as a scarf, shawl, wrap, or even a light blanket, making it suitable for home, office, car, outdoor activities, and dates. With its classic design and cozy warmth, this heated scarf is a thoughtful gift choice for Christmas, Valentine's Day, weddings, birthdays, and anniversaries, adding comfort and warmth to winter days.